what is it that you dislike in particular about working from home?
Wala lang. I love dressing up kasi.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch na boss.
Welcome to another episode of Working From Home with me, your homeboy, Ronipe. This episode is a bit interesting for me. I will be having a conversation with a friend who explicitly said that she doesn't like working from home. It kind of goes against the main theme of this series, which is about working from home, but I think there's something we can learn from different perspectives because we know things that others don't and they know things that we don't.
Hi Ron, thank you for the call.
So I think we can both agree na ikaw ay isang extrovert, right?
Well, I'd like to believe I am. Pero more on ambivert. Pwede ba yan? Or
Ambivert,
selectively social. Selectively social. Pero sige, leaning towards extrovert.
How would you define what an extrovert is or what an ambivert is?
Well, kasi extrovert kasi they are very outgoing, ganyan. Tapos introvert naman is the opposite. Ambivert can do both, I think.
Depende sa mood.
Yeah, so food.
So for me, this episode is very interesting kasi it's a very different take on the topic of working from home. Kasi Dayan and I had a few conversations before na hindi niya na-enjoy ang working from home.
Yeah,
For me, yun. So yan, vinalidate niya, she doesn't. That's a very interesting take on the topic kasi ako, I enjoy working from home a lot. And a lot of people I know also are thankful for working from home. Although sinasabi nila, hindi nila kaya gawin full-time kasi nakakabaliw nga. Pero they like it to a certain extent. Pero ikaw talagang ayaw mo. So why is that?
Kasi nawawalan ako ng sense of time. Parang I wanted to be routinary. I mean, I have my own routine na. Nang going to office, parang waking up 6:30, preparing for work, ganyan. Tapos nung nag-work from home na, I wake up 10 minutes before the call time. So parang naging tamad ako.
Aray ha, kasi ako ako na-enjoy ko yung minsan, I just woke up and then 10 minutes na lang start na yung work. Okay, walang traffic, walang whatever na kailangan gawin. I could dive straight to work.
I love dressing up kasi.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch na boss.
I love dressing up for work. Tapos I love meeting new people. Kasi I'm on the sales side. Gusto ko yung interaction with human being, not just virtually. Yun yung issue ko talaga.
Kasi hindi ka na makapag-dress up. Ayaw mo nakapambahay lang. I think that's a very valid concern kasi meron tayong habit cues na tinatawag, di ba? Yun yung parang kapag ginawa ko si activity A, gagawin ko si activity B, sure. Ang next kong gagawin si activity C, so nagiging routinary na siya. I guess for some people, my past self included, meron akong habit cue na kapag white long sleeve shirt na ako, it's time for work. It psychs you up na parang wala ka na ibang ginawa, nagbihis ka lang naman. So I totally get that part. Baka kasi i-judge tayo na arte naman ito, ayaw lang magbihis. Pero it's part of the activities that we do to prepare ourselves to work. So I totally understand that.
Kasi I get to wear sunblock kanya. Parang wala eh. Parang confidence booster din kasi if I dress up every day. Unlike if I'm just at home, parang I don't need to prep myself up. Parang yun yung concerns ko.
tsaka customer-facing yung work mo.
Yeah, client-facing. Siguro I can watch Netflix in between. During lunch break. So, from 8 to 12, yun. Work talaga, as in work. And then 12 to 1 p.m. Yun. I get to watch Netflix while cooking, of course. While preparing my food. And tapos, yun, I get to do something new. You have this urge kasi to learn something new eh. Kasi you take advantage of doing nothing. Diba? I establish a routine. For example, every morning, I would sweep the floor and mop the floor with Clorox. Yeah, that's what I do. Sobrang training ko. Kasi I live in Poblacion area, Makati. And it has the highest COVID positive area in the whole Makati. So, ganun yung ginagawa. And then, come 7:30, we have this call time. It's a poll wherein we have to vote. So, 7:30, I vote. And then, I call na or send emails until
Mhm.
12. And then lunch break, that's when I take a breather. So I cook food or I go out to buy food, and then I watch Netflix or YouTube, or I
Mhm.
scan through my social media sites.
Mhm.
And then after that, work again until 5 p.m.
So now, you have a different set of routines, pre-work, mid-work, and post-work routines nonetheless. Right? So that's keeping you sane.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's keeping me sane. I bought healthy foods.
Healthy
Overnight oats, blueberry, raspberry, soy milk, ganyan. Kasi feeling ko eating the right food keeps me healthy. Not just physically, but mentally as well. Oats, granola, tapos I have inside my rice.
Ay, parang gusto ko niyan. Tapos yogurt, no?
Yes, yogurt. I think kasi employees must have an option to work from home from time to time.
Mm.
Especially for the employees who have families kasi.
It's a sentiment that's common with a lot of people na hindi naman natin kailangan mag-work from home every day. Kaysa mag-leave ka, di ba? Kung kaya mo namang i-deliver yung results na kailangan ng company from you, instead of taking a day off and having the rest of your team do your part din sa work nila, just do it at home.
Let's take advantage of the free online courses we could take during this time. Tapos try something new, ganyan. Tapos watch Netflix, binge watching. Ayun. Tapos eat healthy food.
Okay.
Beef up with vitamins.
It's very real. The concern you raised earlier na nawawalan ka ng sense of time.
Yeah.
Yung iba nga, di ba may
Diba?
kumakalat na memes sa Facebook na hindi ko na alam kung Monday ba, Tuesday.
Totoo yun.
Alam ko na lang umaga-gabi. So, yeah, it's very handy to keep everything in check. So, your routines are part of that ways for keeping time. Any final words?
Yun, don't go out. Stay at home.
Thank you very much for taking this call. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe and have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Okay, I hope you learned something from that. She was able to raise some very interesting points. You know, there are things in our day-to-day lives that we think are very small and insignificant, but in reality, they do contribute to how we conduct the major parts of our day. Something as small as the clothes we wear as a habit cue, as a signal that it's time to get to work, how routines play an important part in the normalcy of our day-to-day lives. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever there's a new episode. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found this content helpful, so I know that I should continue doing this. And what else? Share this to someone who might benefit from the information, and leave a comment down below for anything you want to share regarding this topic or for any topic that you want to be discussed in the future. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.